Good morning, so welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Flossy. So I'm cooking some breakfast. I'm showing you how my mom used to make breakfast for us back home in Jamaica. So I got some eggs right here. I'm gonna take 3 of these eggs. I got my cheese right here, and I got my plantain right here, and I got some tomatoes right here. So I'm gonna fry up the egg and the tomato together, and after I finish fry the egg, I'm gonna put the cheese on it and the egg. Then I'm gonna fry the plantains after. And in this video, I'm gonna make sure to show y'all the finished product. So here the oil is already hot, so I'm about to get started. So you see my egg is in the pot, and my tomato is over there. So the eggs cooking, and after I finish cook the eggs, I'm about to fry my plantains to go with it, but I'm gonna apply the cheese and the egg. I'm gonna let the egg fry till it's done. I'm gonna apply the cheese in the middle. I got my tomatoes over here. This is how they cook. My mom used to cook us a Jamaican breakfast. We had egg, tomato, fried plantains. It's real delicious. That's a real Jamaican breakfast with the fried plantains in there, So yes, I'm just showing you how I make a Jamaican breakfast and how other people make a Jamaican breakfast in the island too. As you can see, my egg is fried, so I'm about to apply it into a omelet. Let the cheese melt. And my tomato is over there, and after I finish cook the egg, I'm gonna flip it. I'm gonna let it fry some more. I'm gonna flip it on the other side. I'm going to flip it. Let it fry on this side. And after I finish frying this, I'm going to fry my plantain. Yes guys, so this is how my mom used to make us a Jamaican breakfast, I always got tomatoes in there. I always got the tomatoes with the egg. The tomato let the egg taste delicious. You see I got my cheese My cheese is melting. I'm about to flip this one more time to make sure the omelette is finished. Fry egg and tomatoes, guys. And I'm about to fry plantain next. So on the egg, I apply salt, little salt, two tablespoons of salt, or you can apply 1 tablespoon of salt, and black pepper. See my egg, guys? Very pretty. And tomato. And I'm about to fry my fried plantains, and after I'm gonna show y'all my finished product. I'll be back, guys. So when I cook in fried plantains, this is how they look before they're finished. As you can see, it look just like a ripe banana. In some countries, y'all call it ripe planos, which is Spanish. In Jamaica and other countries, they call it ripe plantains. So you know, I'm taking y'all on my cooking journey, frying my breakfast. The plantains are very overripe. You see this one coming up a pretty color. So you press it out, press the plantain out, let it cook on the other side. And so the end result should be like what you see on the top right here. And they cook really fast, guys. And sometimes they cook in 5 minutes. All depends on how high your stove top is. How high your heat is on your stove. So I decided that, you know, let me give my subscribers another video. I know y'all just want to see videos. I'm saying, let me just show y'all how I cook breakfast in the kitchen. And this is how a lot of people cook a nice Jamaican breakfast. Most Jamaican people always eat plantain with the eggs or whatever they're eating. So that's what my mom always make fried ripe plantains every morning. So yeah, I know y'all love the cooking videos, so I'm gonna make sure I load content. I'm gonna try my best at least once or twice a week. It's so pretty day coming, guys. So you know, it's already cooked on one side, so I got the other side cooking. Press it out flat so the other side is cooked thoroughly. This one ain't done as yet. And they are so delicious, guys. Like after I finish fry them, I apply sugar on mine because they are very sweet and delicious. So it made the egg have a very delicious taste. I know people like long cooking videos, so I'm here giving y'all a nice breakfast video. Hopefully I'll be able to upload it later for y'all. So you see before, guys, how it was light yellow, and you see now it's becoming of a golden brown color. That's when you know it's done. You see, both sides gotta be like this, so you know it's finished cook. The plantain is finished cook. So I will show y'all the end product when I'm finished. Alright, so peeps, this is the finished breakfast. You see, this is the egg. This is the egg right here. You can see the egg and the tomato. So good it look, guys. Yeah, Jamaica breakfast. I'm gonna eat this with some maybe a tortilla wrap. So I'm just showing you how I make my breakfast, so you can see from all angles. It's authentic Jamaica breakfast right here. So delicious it look, guys. Here are the plantains. So the plantains look when it's finished. You know, I'm a little the pot I use, I shouldn't use that pot, so it made them look darker. I should have used the next pot, but I wanted to try this new pot out first. But this is how the plantain look when they're well done. You sprinkle some sugar and there if you like them sweet. That's how I like mine. So I'm about to apply some sugar on my ripe plantains to eat my breakfast. So you see the 360 angle. There you go, the egg again. So I make my Jamaican breakfast. So my mom used to make it for me too. So egg, fried egg, cheese in the middle, tomato on the side, fried tomatoes too, and there go the ripe plantains. You can see, guys. The plantains are very delicious, so but I apply sugar on mine. It's gonna taste really good. So there you go. That's how I make my Jamaican breakfast, and that's all I keep for make their breakfast in the Caribbean. So my mom used to make mine. That's how my grandma used to make breakfast if we over there staying by her house. So most Jamaicans always eat fried plantains with their eggs. So yes, there it goes, guys. Hope y'all enjoy this breakfast video, and thank you for watching, and I appreciate each and every one of my subscribers. Peace, love, blessing to everyone. See you in my next video.